Hey guys, making a little trip here to Toronto today through a snowstorm to look at a 1979 Kawasaki KV75 that I came across on Kijiji. Not something I was looking for, but looks to be a good deal. Pretty complete, aside from a gas tank and engine side cover, which I think I should be able to source. Probably not as easily as a Honda part, but should be out there to find. But anyways, pretty good price. Let's see how it looks when I get there and hopefully buy it and bring it home with me.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Alright, so there she is, the 1979 Kawasaki KV75. A little less complete than I thought it was. Missing the gas tank, missing some parts here for the oil injection pump. The pump's there, but missing the linkage and the I think those are banjo style bolts. Missing the cover. And on this side it's missing the stator cover and also missing the oil tank for the oil injection. And the gear shift lever, which should be an easy find. Aside from that, bike appears to be complete. Got the carb laying on the side there. The guy said he had it running at some point, but didn't seem very knowledgeable of the bike, so it seems to have lots of compression. So let's see if there's spark. If there's spark, that carbon there, try to squirt some gas through just to make sure it fires up. And then we'll park it away on the side of the garage until we get this Honda 50 build finished off.
In a place where they told you what to chase. Told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way.
Not sure if that's standard there or not.
Had to find a way to change. Had to
And
find my
must
way.
be.
Caught up in a daydream. I beat my mind up there almost daily. This time no opinions say.
Man, we got good spark.
Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong? What fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Before we bother getting that carb on there. Alright, let's try some WD-40 in there. Fires up with that.
Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate. You won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People like to I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more.
Oh, she runs. Alright, park this off in the corner. Won't get to it this year probably, but you know, next couple of years. Maybe next winter. So, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the other builds and eventually this one. Well, I'm back on the road here again today, heading Windsor bound this time to a guy's place that he's got some 53-foot trailers full of old MX parts, including a bunch of Kawasaki KV parts. So anyways, let's see what all he has when we get there and make an offer and hopefully get the parts I needed to finish off this KV75 build. Well, there you have it. Basically everything I need and a lot more, except for the oil tank, which I'm still missing, and a shift lever, which I should be able to easily source. A lot of extra parts here. Should be enough there to build an extra engine, actually. Spare wheels, forks, shocks, 2 sets of gas tanks, exhaust. Should be good now. Just gotta get that Honda 50 done, and then start this restoration as well.